Okay, this is called Make Believe's Comics, and it's just a fun way to make a little comic book. Actually, it's just a little page, and one way I have my kids use this is I just have them use this to retell maybe a story that we have read. The ISTE number that I picked for this was ISTE S.6.8, and it's very simple to use. You just go to create your own comic, and they give you some choices down here. Let's see. Getting started. Create a comics. And we're going to go here. And then you just get to create your own comic. Like you can add dialogue, you can add characters. This just happens to be one that I did earlier. It's supposed to be Hansel and Gretel. So here are your characters down here that you can add. And then you can add like balloons for them to talk, or objects, words, backgrounds. And then when they're done, they can print it. Now, the only thing about this website is that it does not save their work. So if you want them to turn something in, or if they want to be able to keep it, then you do have to have them print it right away. But I just thought that this was a fun little thing that kids could do to retell their stories, especially those kids who are afraid to get up in front of the class and orally do a retell. And also, it's just a fun center activity. Have them get a book, and then have them make the book in their own words and turn it into a comic book. So this is just something that we use off and on in my classroom, and I just hope that it's something that you could also use.